Okay, in this example, we're now going to move on to the mount wheels area here. Basically, there's a couple of options on here. Up at the top, we've actually got an option to add a security handle up here. And there's also an optional light here as well. Right, and then after that, down here, we've got some standard work. The standard work being, let's say, secure parts with screws, and then maybe wheel install, these guys right here. So we're going to add these features here. So we'll just come in here again, and I'm going to come down secure parts with screws. Right, that's going to be a couple of the items here, and we'll just use our standard yellow again, nothing special. And then we're going to have the wheel install. Right, and we'll just keep going. Maybe I'll make that a green one here, in keeping with some of the other ones we have there. Right, and then we're going to have the option add light, and that's going to be our option color. So we're going to pick the blue for the options, and the final one is going to be our add security handle. So here we're going to have two options on the one station here. This is quite common. You could have any number of options, obviously. Right, so we save that again. We'll just assign it as being the option color again. Okay, we say we're done, and now we're ready to assign these. So we secure the parts with screws. That's the first couple down here. We do the wheel install. Spelled that wrong, so we can want to go and edit that one. Just edit this wheel install. Make any edits, you just come in here, and you want to just edit it again here. So we'll just edit it down here and save that. And obviously it's the same green, so we just pick the green here, put it right in here, and say we're done. Highlight the green wheel install, put these guys in here. And now we get a couple of options, right? So we're going to add the light, this guy and this guy, and add the security handle, these three here. You can't tell the difference in these because they all turn the same color until indeed what you do is you come over here and you say show all groupings, and then you see it here. Now then we have to make these, identify those as being options here. So again, what we'll do is we'll go to assign options, and we can import the ones that we want to use again by using the import tag here. And you see the different, this is a list of all our groupings, and we want to assign the add the light here and add the security handle. We're going to add that here, and then we're going to import those guys, and they're added to the list here. So let's say the light happens to be done on, it's a rare occurrence, so let's just say it's only 12%, so we might put 12% in here. But the security handle is more common, it's a more popular feature, so maybe we put like 37% in based on the orders coming in. Optionally, you can give it the internal name here. Again, this is to tie into the ERP system, because eventually we might want to tie TimerPro to your ERP system in terms of the orders coming off the line here. So I'll just make up some numbers here, and imagine this was different part numbers in here. Okay, and then what we do is we click on the add the light, and we just tag in the add light, and you see it's put a little option guy in here. Add the security handle, put it on here. So that's our options being assigned here. Now you can see how these are actually being used. If I come up here and say, okay, imagine I was putting in a takt timeline. So maybe my takt timeline here, I'll just say it was going to be 58. Right? So you can see obviously if the two options occur, we're going to have a problem getting in under the takt timeline. But maybe not all two options are going to occur. So I can come in here and I might say, well, okay, I only want to see the add light feature. And it shows you the balance with just that particular item. So maybe it's add light and a mounted plate, you're still okay. But it's only when you've got all three of them, the add security handle, you have a problem here. But if you just have one without the light, you obviously don't have a problem, you're under the takt time. So you can play what ifs here depending on the different options that are going to be done in the particular models that go down the line there. You can pick all options, it shows you everything here. This is a particular video that just showed you how you can have multiple options on any particular operation.